If you are also looking for professional certified structural engineering services or courses, then don't forget to check link in description of this video.
In this video, we will learn how to draw a PEB structure frame with non-prismatic sections. So let's get started. So that's a fresh ETABS model. I'll start with, let's say we will just be making a 2D frame, so I'll just start with this. Let's go to material properties. So we will be using steel framing material. Click on OK. Go to define section properties, frame sections. You can use the existing frame sections or you can import new sections as well. But let's utilize the existing sections. Let's say one end of the section is W26 and the other end of the section will be 18 by 40. So I'll click on non-prismatic section. Start section. (14 by 26) and the end section will be, let's say, 18 by 40. Length you can keep proportional or absolute, but then you have to specify this distance. If you specify this distance as absolute, then this section will only be for 1 foot, the starting section, and the remaining will be W18 by 40. But let's keep it proportional and it's going to vary uniformly. EI3 variation means moment of inertia in third direction multiplied by modulus of elasticity, and this is moment of inertia multiplied by modulus of elasticity in second direction. This is linear because your section is having EI3 linear variation, and click on OK. But first you can give it a section name. The section name you can give it, let's say, W14 by 26 and W18 by 40. Click OK. Go to elevation view. This is the section we defined. This length is 24 feet. I'll just give a reference line. Let's draw a column. In order to see in extruded view, you can see it like that. So our section looks somehow like that. this is our non-prismatic section. You can even edit this section once you have drawn it. So to have further clarity or understanding, let's say if I assign W 10 by 12 in the beginning, now refresh the view, and then your initial section changes.